Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instructions sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000. Example, cost workup pedestal. The focus of step 3 of the 3 steps is on the analysis of the results of the data entered. Example item 3.1.06 Cost Workup Sheet Structure or Layout. The base cost workup sheet is the most frequently used sheet. The 1BSE S_1 sheet is used as the reference in this example. The cost workup sheet is a structured list, or it can be described as an organized layout of materials and labor processes. The entire application follows the structured layout as it applies to each situation. On the Tables, Definitions, Abbreviation sheet, Topic 17 is a table that demonstrates the categories of materials and labor. The pattern in Topic 17 diagram of cost workup sheet applies to all cost workup sheets. To the extent appropriate and possible, other types of sheets will contain layouts consistent with this diagram. Following is a partial explanation of sheet structure. The first structural level is the division of materials and labor. Materials start at row 27 and end at row 1111, which is 1085 rows. Labor starts at row 1112 and ends at row 2163, which is 1052 rows. Materials second structural level within the 1085 rows has 3 groups: glass, primary materials, and finishes. Labor second structural level within the 1052 rows has 6 groups: machining, special process, laminate, assemble, mount, and finish. Materials third structural level breaks 3 groups into subgroups. First group, glass, consists of top, front, side left clip corner, side right clip corner, bottom, back, and door. Second group, primary materials, consist of substrate kick, substrate veneer, inlay overlay veneer, splash, molding, ornament, hardware, frame, and fabricator. Third group, finish, consists of glass, substrate kick, inlay overlay, splash, molding, ornament, hardware, frame, and fabricator. Notice that the primary materials and finishes groups are sequentially the same. It is an example of the structure applied uniformly throughout the application. Labor third structural level breaks the 6 groups into subgroups. Machining consists of cut, miter, plain joint, dado rabbet, roundover, cutout, shape, and drill. Special process consists of any material bending or milling, etc. Laminate consists of glass, substrate veneer, inlay overlay veneer, finish substrate kick, finish inlay overlay, finish splash, finish molding, finish ornament, finish hardware, finish frame, finish fabricator. Assemble consists of glass, substrate kick, inlay overlay, splash, molding, ornament, hardware, frame, and fabricator. Mount consists of glass, substrate veneer, inlay overlay veneer, splash, molding, ornament, hardware, frame, and fabricator. Kick to base, base to display. Finish consists of peel, sand, seal, spray, polish, and clean. Again, note that groups laminate, assemble, and mount are the same sequence. Another example of the consistency of the structure throughout. Materials' fourth structural level breaks down level 3 items into more specific groups. Level 4 glass breaks down each of the 9 level 3 groups into 17 different items. The first group is top, which consists of glass top pane, glass top temper, glass top laminate, glass top sandblast, glass top etch, glass top cover/paint, glass top coated, glass top insulate, glass top polish, glass top bevel, glass top glue, glass top drill, glass top crop, glass top shape, glass top mask, glass top template, glass top fuel service charge. Level 4 substrate group consists of 11 groups including top, subtop, front, subfront, side left clip corner, side right clip corner, bottom, back, and divider. As an example, the substrate top group includes sheet, curve sheet, extra sheet, left to right strip, front to back strip, and extra strip. Level 4 substrate kit group consists of 3 groups including LTR, left to right, FTB, front to back, and extra. There are too many more groups and rows to detail here. The rest of the materials and labor groups are displayed in columns C, D, and E on the 1 BSE S_cost workup sheet. Also, review the tables, definitions, abbreviations, topic 17, diagram of worksheet layout to see the full scope of the structure. This example 3.1.06 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 3.1.07.